Oh yeah, 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 yeah. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to come on here and just tell y'all guys what I am doing. I am doing a breast cancer awareness makeup tutorial. I always do it every year, but I skipped last year. Y'all gonna see at the end of this video that I'm gonna say the same thing, reiterate on it. But I just wanted to come on here quickly in the intro just to let y'all guys know that I love y'all and I appreciate y'all's love and support. And plus, please, if you know anyone, y'all just show any kind of tribute that we can just show against this beast called cancer. It's not just breast cancer, it's any cancer. And I just want to speak on it briefly and just say that it is a beast. And you just better thank God that you don't have it. And just pray for the ones that do, and pray for the families that lost a person due to a cancer. But I just want to come on here and just, you know, give my rendition of making awareness of it by doing a makeup tutorial that I always do. I did it for my godmother because she is a survivor of it, and I do know other people that is battling cancer as well. And my prayers is with everyone. Just as well, I want y'all to pray for me and my family. I'm praying for y'all. I love y'all. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all soon. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later.
I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine.
Also, guys, I just want to jump back on here and just tell y'all guys everything that I will use will be linked in the description box below. I just want to jump back on here to let y'all guys know because I sped everything up so this video won't be long. But if y'all want me to do another video at another time at a slower pace, just let me know in the comment section below. Love you guys.
Forgiven, made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when. Before you forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make you mine. Forgot my worth, for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Been along the road, everything seems slow. I feel so empty inside. these crazy thoughts about the love you've got. They driving me insane, you know. Cause you mean so much to me. I don't wanna break everything you see, cause this means so much to me. Everything we've been through, cause you mean so much to me. I don't wanna break everything you see, cause this means so much to me. Everything. So please don't kill all my hopes away, cause you know that I've been loving you. Everything about you. Please, 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 think about you. Please, 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 think about you. Please, I'm scared of love again. Can't think about love again. If it ain't you, how do I make it up to you? Can send a thought of you with someone new. How do I make it up to you?
Just do this video. I do it every year for breast cancer awareness, or any cancer, period. But I just want to come and just say, you know, just do my due diligence to the people that dealt with this battle, because we never know what we're going to deal with. And I just want to come on here. My godmother, she's a survivor of 12 years of breast cancer, and she's still here, and I thank God for it. And I made her a t-shirt. So this is the t-shirt that I made. See? Isn't it cute? So yes, anybody that interested in it, you know, hit me up. That's local, or I'll leave my website my website in the description box below. And it's not all about my business or anything. I do this, I try to do it every year. I skipped the last year, but this year I want to make it right, and I want to do it right. Okay, so guys, I love y'all. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Mwah.